Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hello, how are you? Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna be reviewing Boxycharm, and so many surprises on this box. So a lot of feelings about this box, a lot of mixed feelings about this box. I feel ripped off. So if you wanna know what I'm talking about, please keep watching. Welcome back. So today's video we're gonna be reviewing Boxycharm, and it's called Boxyadore. So anyways, how you guys like my makeup? I'm doing like a review on this foundation, so it'll be coming up pretty soon, so stay tuned. Anyway, so if you ever see my face, this beautiful face, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification bell. Comment below what you think about this video. I mean, barely starting, but it's okay. I mean, you can always comment, before. And follow me on social media. So we have here Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and WordPress. You can follow me in all those social medias. I'm always there. So this month is actually called Boxyadore, and the box kind of looks bigger. So when you open it up, there's no card. There's no card at all. I feel ripped off. Usually every month we get a card, and this month we got shit. We got nothing. I kind of feel like left out. So let's go and see the first product. So here we have the first product, and it's from Fab First Aid Beauty. Their facial radiance pads helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten. So let's see. So the exfoliant pads, so I guess you can use them in the morning or at nighttime. So white pad across face, neck, and décolleté once or twice a day after cleansing. Okay, so I have never tried anything from First Aid Beauty, and it's kind of cool because I'm getting into skincare, so this is kind of like, oh, that's cool. Okay, nothing beats it. So next product we have the Seattle London Everyday Baked Coconut Powder. I love Seattle London's packaging, and it's kind of like girly, like girly, and I love rose gold. And so this brand like calls my name. So let's see, let's take this out of the package. And Seattle London it's not cruelty free. I would figure they'll be cruelty free, but they're from London, so I don't believe they are. So wow, look at this packaging. And then when you open it, it smells like coconut. Oh, ooh. So it's kind of like powder, setting powder. So it's not like, like face powder like the other one. So it's white. So it's gonna like set the makeup after setting spray. So I did a review on this product too on my next coming up video on the foundation. So it's gonna be exciting. On the box we got the ebates Skin Refreshing Cleaning Hemp Wipes. We put it on the giveaway. I'm not like really like into this, and yeah, we're gonna be putting it on the giveaway. So they're cleansing hemp wipes. That's crazy. I've never tried anything made of hemp, so some lucky winner's gonna get this. So now we have the brushes. I was rooting for the sponges, because foundation and sponges, when I apply my makeup better with sponges. So we got the brushes. I haven't tried anything from Alomar Cosmetics. They've been, what, never mind, no, yes, I have gotten brushes before from Alomar Cosmetics, yes. So here they are. These are face brushes, and they're so pretty, and I already used them on my other video. So look at this. Look how this brush is. It's so cool. I was trying to apply my foundation with this brush, but I went back to my old ways and used a sponge. So I already used this one. This one I use it for my bronzer. This one I use it for my highlighter. But they're so pretty. This one I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. It says bronzer, but I don't like it. But look, they're so pretty. Look at that. And they seem such good quality. Like really pretty. Look at that. They smell good. Last but not least, this is one of my choices that I chose, and this is the Becca Cosmetics Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in the color Sand, and I'm so happy they got my color. Becca Cosmetics is not cruelty free, as I see right here. It's nothing saying cruelty free. Nope. They made it easily. So here's the bottle, and this foundation I actually have it on. You guys can see what you guys think. It looks kind of nice. It looks really nice, but we're gonna see if it's really 24 hours. And because I don't know, every time I use high-end foundation they look really bad on me, but we're gonna see. And it's a pretty color. Let me see. I'm gonna get my sponge. It's actually like matte. It's matte, and I love that because I love matte foundations. I can do dewy, I can do the other foundations, so matte is actually like my best color. So on my next video that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be reviewing this foundation for you guys. So there it is. There's my whole February Boxycharm unboxing. What do you guys think about this box? Did we get the same variation? I don't know how much each product is, and I guess Boxycharm, did you run out of money? I think you did. Or you know what? They probably did. They ran out of paper. Because I seen some people not getting their cards, and I'm like, what the fuck, man? How am I gonna know it? I mean, I already know the names, but you know, the prices, you know, I want to see the prices. But it's okay, you know. I think next month, Boxycharm, March, it's not that good, so I think I'm gonna cancel and move to Ipsy. I've been saying this for a long time, but I am gonna move. I am moving to Ipsy. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe down below, comment below what you think about my unboxing, what you think about the products. Did we get the same box? Kind of did, I don't know. I'm also still waiting for my Boxy pop-up package. I read that they're gonna send everything individually, and I'm like, doesn't make sense. I want everything together. So yeah. So follow me on social media. We have here, right here. You can follow me there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.